Hello and welcome back. Today I want to introduce you to websites that offer reality free content you can safely download and use their photos in your project without worrying about copyright issues. These platforms provide high quality creative assets and are excellent resources for content creators, designers, and marketers. Today, thanks to AI, we can also create highly specific images tailored to our exact needs. In the past, if you needed a very specific image, for example, a man standing on top of a mountain and shouting, it wasn't easy to find. You would often spend hours searching through the stock photo websites, and in many cases, you would have to purchase the image at a relatively high cost. Today, however, things are much easier with AI image generation tools. You can simply describe the image you want, and the AI can create a custom image for you within a second. This not only saves time and money, but also gives you unlimited creative possibility for your projects. Okay, as you already know, the first step is to open your web browser and search for Unsplash. Sorry, Unsplash. Click on the first result and the website will be open. Unsplash offers both free and paid photos and videos. Whenever you see this icon on an image or video, it means it's a paid asset and requires a subscription. Otherwise, you can download any photo or video you like for free. For example, you need some photo of a birthday party. Search here or here, doesn't matter. Birthday party. And here it is. For example, you want this picture right here. You need to click on it and then download for free, or you can click on this arrow and it gives you the all formats of this image. You can download a smaller size, medium, large, or the original one. And by clicking on this, you also have the image with the original size. And then all you need to do is to open your download folder, which is in your my computer, or click on this arrow, and then you can open the image. And after this, you're able to use the photos or videos everywhere that you want. This website is one of my favorites and it's pretty simple. All you need to do is search here whatever you want. For example, book. It gives you a lot of images about book. You can pick anything you want. And the next website I would like to introduce is called Pixels. Just search here, Pixels. This is another powerful and useful website for designers. It offers both high quality photos and videos that you can use in your projects. Here, you can choose whether you want to search for photos or videos. For example, dog. After searching, you can also apply different filters here to narrow down the results. Here you can choose the orientation you want and I don't know, for people, age, or you can choose your specific size or color you want, or the release date. And if you would like to search for videos, Go ahead and click on this, and you have a lot of videos that you can use in your project or anything you want. And this one is also pretty easy to download. All you need to do is just click on this. It doesn't matter if it's a video or photo. You can also click on the arrow and download the different sizes. For example, let's download the full HD. After selecting this, click on download, and there we go. Easy peasy. Just open your download folder and find the video or photo.